All right, Frida, you're up next. What's on your mind?
Hi.
Hello. How are you today?
Oh, I am good today.
Good.
I'm gonna try not to get emotional,
Well, you can.
but
It's all right. By the way, if you don't know, I'm the crier in the family, and I mean it when I say that. So
that's
you're all
me. I'm
good.
the tough one, but I'm the crier. You have blessed my family immensely.
Thank you.
I am taking over Napa wineries around here with my custom GPTs, and we are so blessed. And I know that God didn't put me in your group. It was just divine timing. So I wish my husband was here because he's just like, who is this guy? Who is this guy? He's giving me free reign to spend as much as I want with you. Um,
Well, thank
I
him for me too.
I will. I thank you. And to not give out numbers, you all. Our bills for the whole 2026 is paid.
By the way, I wasn't kidding. Okay, I'm getting teary-eyed. Thank you.
It's paid. That's from GPTs to you
Well,
name it.
let me say congratulations because
Thank you.
I may have been the spark, but you took the action. You and your husband did it. And that means you guys, with God, get all the glory for doing this
Yeah,
because you took the action. I can give you the map and some of the
yeah.
maybe the spark, but you let it light a flame. So Frida, thank you for the kind words. I greatly
You're,
appreciate them.
you're welcome. And I didn't
But
even really
right,
get on here
but
to say
but
that.
right, no, but right back at you. Because it's important to know.
Thank
Not
you.
everybody that goes through the trainings takes action, and I'm so thrilled to hear for you. I mean, imagine that. We're in January and you've got your bills covered for the year. That is an incredible blessing. An incredible blessing. So thank you for sharing that with me.
You're
Wow.
welcome. You're
Wow.
welcome.